Now, to get to this file, I had to now when you download files, they come in zip folder. So you have to first of all unzip them before you can access the file. This, for instance, came from here. So this is the file. I unzipped this to open this folder. Then I clicked on, you can open help and then you can read more about it. Some have help while some videos don't have help. However, I think I am all the help you need for this. So you open the AEP file, .aep, open. Now this is not import, this is open. Command O or Control O on your Windows. Okay, this, yes, no problem. Yeah, this is the video. Let's see what this looks like. Now, you need to reduce the quality to quarter so it loads faster. On the left here is a project panel. As you can see, it is properly arranged. Render comps means the compositions that are to be rendered. Let's preview it. 720p, that's 1280 by 720p resolution. Or do you want to render in 1080p resolution? Advisable 1080p because you are on Instagram, YouTube, and the other social media platforms. They are 1080p resolution platforms. So you close this, you don't need this yet. Edit comp are the compositions to be edited, while ignore composition that are to be ignored. Logo and tagline. You open this logo, double click this. You need to import the logo. I can also choose to import command I import the AI file of this directly. Just need to go to the folder. This is here. Let's do this for Abike Wellness. So I can import this AI file into this place. What I need to do is so I need to manually remove the background because it has a background currently. That didn't really work well because of the text. There's a text inside this thing and the text didn't convert properly. I had to go to Illustrator to export PNG file. If you remember, the logo we are working on needs to be white because the background is dark. So this is the logo we'll be exporting. This. So we need to first of all remove the background, delete it. Then we click on all of this, probably make it bigger so it is of higher resolution and it doesn't pixelate. Then file, export, export for screens. Click on only it, unclick all these ones. Then you can change the name Abike Wellness NBG. No background. And export. Then I can drag this also and drop inside After Effects. That didn't work. Command I. Then I go to logo, I drag this, drop it here. S will bring up scale, or I open this manually. I go to scale, I reduce the size to fit in. Although you want to stand out, but the logo has to fit in. Yeah. Then click on this project controls, color controls, effect controls, controls, colors. You will always find that layer that has a white icon. That white icon means it's a blank adjustment layer. I can't go into details for that, but just look for control, project controls, color controls, and click on the layer. Then come here to effect controls. These are the colors we need to change. Now, understand this. You change the colors according to the theme of the color which is here currently. So let's assume this was a very dark color. You'll be changing it to another dark color so you don't scatter the design. You don't change this, for instance, to black because it can't be black. The design here states that what is here is a light tone. The color here is a mid tone, and if it's a dark tone, so you match the color according to the tones: light tone, mid tone, dark tone. But I use this eyedropper. I pick this color here. Yes. Then I use the eyedropper. I pick the same color from itself. Yes. I use this eyedropper. Pick the darker part. Yeah. I use eyedropper. I pick this from itself. Yeah. I can also change this lines. But instead of that, I'll make it a light. So do you get what I'm saying about light tone? With a light tone. Then in the same level, I go to tagline. I double click on the composition. Your beauty is our concern. Yeah. Command enter. And there you have it. You can even choose to make it more legible by animating this logo inside of it. So you want it as at this time when the logo is coming out, you want to add a color to it to make it all white. To make it all white, what you need to do is right click, layer style, I add the color overlay to it. Then I open this color overlay. I change this color to white. Then I OK it. However, what I'll do is I'll duplicate this. Control C, Control V to duplicate. I'll move this one forward. So what I want to do is in the beginning it should be white, then towards the end the original color should reveal. So I'll delete layer style from this one. From the one that's meant to be the original color, I delete layer style. What did I just do? No. This one. I delete layer styles. So what I will do now is I will add some opacity animation to it. Make it animate from 100%. in the front, move this time head to the back, and tell it to change it to 0. So you get what I'm doing there? This is the one that has white on it. This one does not have white in it. So I'm telling After Effects that as at this second, it should start revealing this layer from 0% to 100%. Then let's see what that looks like here. It takes too much time. I want it to start going back to the original color from here. So I put this playhead to where I want it to start going back. Then I go to the composition and move this to that place. If I change this to full, it will show you full resolution, so it's sharper. Can you see? It's not that ugly, but it won't play fast. Let's go back to quarter. So I save this, Command S. Let me show you another one. See you in the next video.